Hi, welcome back. In this videos we will learn new word with easy and short stories. Let's go. Hello, how are you? This is the second lesson. This is my house. My house is neither big nor small. I live in Italy, in a small town. We have a garden. There is a tree and many flowers. In my house there is a kitchen, a living room and 3 bedrooms. In the kitchen there is a stove, a refrigerator, plates and glass. In the living room there is a table, 4 chairs, a sofa and 3 lamps. In each bedroom there is a bed, a window and 2 shelves. What is your house like?
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.